Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, got a new tool I wanted to put in front of you. It's a little unique. I almost was not going to do a video on this tool because there's so much you can do, and I kind of wanted to keep this creativity to myself. If this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm always doing digital hacks to kind of help you grow your business and or your bottom line, giving you these different types of ideas to try to help you take your business to the next level. I'm looking at a tool here called shopper.com. It's available right now on Appsumo. The power in this tool, you can go maybe 5 different directions with this one tool, but you got to have vision. And as I share with people when they look at some of the tools, don't look at it as what you can do traditionally with the tool or what they're saying that the tool is designed for. Because it is designed for a lot of things, but there's 5 different ways you could capitalize on this tool. Let's take a look right now. Let's take a look at the plan and let me make some recommendations on it. So this is what I would call it is I would call it a portable store, right? It's not as complex as a Shopify.com, right? Shopify gives you a lot of power. You can do a lot of things with it, but this is just as powerful. It's more portable. I think it can be used in combination with a Shopify. So let's go over a couple of things that it has here. One of the things I think what's throwing a lot of people off is it has a lot of areas for affiliate links and or affiliate type of marketing. And it can be used for that. But I think it can be used as just a core store. You can become your own Etsy, right? What we look at here is you'll see tier 1 gives you 1 premium store, 1 custom domain. Tier 2 gives you 2 premium stores and 2 custom domains. I think the actual sweet spot may be the license tier 3 with 5 premium stores, 5 custom domains, 15 user accounts, unlimited products, unlimited clicks, unlimited traffic. They all have unlimited products, unlimited clicks, unlimited traffic. So that's a wash there. What happens is you start gaining stores as you continue to move up the ladder, right? The sweet spot and or the area that changes where it appears as though you're getting a couple more stores more than you are from the previous ones is at the tier 3. I think for anyone just starting out and don't really know how they want to use this, I think the tier 2 is just as fine. I think if you get a tier 1, I think you will be disappointed in the fact that once you create a thriving store, you'll want to reduplicate that. And that's why I was saying a tier 2 is a safe bet here. And so the way I look at some of my purchases is, can I start a entirely new business out of the box for $119? Yes, I can. You have a 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't like it, just return it. Get your money back. No questions asked, no problems here. But if I could start a business, at least 2 stores with unlimited products, unlimited clicks, unlimited traffic for $119, I'll take that in a heartbeat. Something that's going to give me Google Analytics, right? It's going to give me API access. It's going to give me unlimited link alerts. If any one of your links are down, they send a notification to let you know because it's constantly monitoring your links. Has Zapier integration, custom logo. One of the power areas that I like in this particular tool is it gives you custom domains. So for 2 stores, I can create my own stores with my own domains. I can just move those. So we're going to take a look at, I've created 2 stores already. One of them I'm not going to show you because that's got to be some of the most creative stuff that I was thinking about. I was having a discussion with a couple of my colleagues and a couple of my friends. Shout out to Chris, shout out to D. All right. A couple of my friends, we've been discussing some different things, and what you could do here is you could do a lot here. And let's go ahead and get right into the tool. Let's take a look and see what I did with one of the tools. And I'm not quite finished, but I wanted to kind of give you an idea of what you can do. Let's take a look. Let's go over to it right now. So this is one of my stores. I have it in dark mode. Obviously, I like the way it looks, the aesthetics for this particular store, just based off the colors and using the blue. This is my store, Legacy Building Toolbox. Inside this store, I have all these different tools created to help you leave a legacy for yourself and your family. Those of you who don't know me, I've been advising people on their financial wealth and or licensed in the stock market and as a stockbroker, real estate agent. I've been doing that for over 20 plus years, but I also do marketing and all those other types of things as well. But this is my core. This is my bread and butter. This is where a lot of my passive income comes in from. And what I did was I created the Legacy Toolbox, which showcases a couple of the tools. There's probably about 10 different products I can put in here, but I just wanted to let you take a look at what I've been able to do here. Now, what you can do, and this is the front end. I'm not going to show you guys. I think there's a lot of videos going around how you can put things together and what it looks like, a walkthrough. I'm just showing you what a finished store looks like, and I'll probably show you a couple of different things that I like about it. But what you can do here is you can add a product or a collection or a coupon or a deal, right? The most things that you'll probably be adding here are different products, right? The collection is the collection of products. This particular collection is my retirement collection. I'm going to do a collection on investments, but I just wanted to show you. So underneath retirement, I have all things retirement. So let's take a look at that. And you can add any one of these, but I just wanted you to see. So edit, you put your profile here, you put your logo here, you get a favicon up top. You have your own domain, and you have this little banner up here as well. So when people see that, it works very well for desktop, works very well for mobile as well. So let's look at the retirement collection. So inside the retirement collection, you can put a banner here. And what I'm basically saying is when a person comes here and they come to the Legacy Toolbox, which is one link, this is one link that they can get all of my services in one link. I have 8 websites that I'm managing, that I'm running regarding some of my legacy tools. How about create one website that has every last one of my key products and services? So for this one, I only have 3 products here. It's gonna probably end up with about 10 products for retirement. And then I'm going to go over to investments, and it's probably about 3 products in there for investments. So you get to pick your banner here, put that there. This is my retirement collection. Again, I'll have an investment collection, and I'll probably have another one with real estate as well, because some people consider real estate in their legacy building toolbox. I'm not really sure how I want to do that. So this, and when I tell you and you can put this here, this collection showcases retirement planning or retirement services. And so these are a couple of the services that I have. I have my Retirement TV Plus, which is available on Android TV, iPad, Android, Apple TV, so on and so forth. So I do have a Plus service for my Retirement TV. I do have a Retirement TV Basic, right? It's free. So you can go to that. And so these are the different services that I have. And I also have an online retirement coaching set up as well. So I'm just showcasing these 3. And if you come to my site, you can actually type in retirement planning, and then the tags will give you that. So this is just, so what I'm giving you is, this is an actual store that you can have. But let me show you some of the sweet spots in this. So again, this is just a store. Let me show you kind of how behind the scenes of how I put the store together. So what you can do here is you can switch stores. I do have another store. This is if you had the 5 stores. Like I said, if you went to tier 3, you can switch in between the stores there. This is the profile here. This is the settings. You can look at your earnings here. The earnings come from having an affiliate link embedded inside your store. We'll talk about that. This is the payments that are made out to you. And then my premium, these are the things that I've selected to be premium in my store. My appearance is how I want the store to look. Let's go into there real quick. So what I did was I could do dark mode, light mode here, and these are just the accent colors. You can't get granular with the colors, which I'm not overly, I mean, that's something that I'd love to have. That's a wish list, but if I can stay within the basic colors, I can kind of work within that and do the things that I need to do within there. And this is showing you how it's going to look on a mobile. This is showing you how it's going to look on a desktop, and then you can upload your logo and so on and so forth. So that's just the appearance. It's letting you know how your store is going to look. So let's go ahead and take a look around. Let's look at our earnings screen. All right, so again, just launched the store, haven't really did anything. It's still talking about how I want to work with it, but this is the earnings. From the earnings, you're going to see the earnings mostly track your affiliate revenue and or your affiliate sales, right? So I want to talk about the affiliate piece here in a moment, but this is, you can still track it, you know, number of clicks, sales, revenue, so on and so forth. What they do here is, if you use any of their affiliate links, they have several thousand affiliates already set up and established for you. And what is an affiliate? An affiliate is, you sell someone's products or you sell their services for a small commission. The way this store is set up is, you're already linked into Amazon. You're already linked into some other places that provide affiliate links. You can actually showcase those in this particular store. So let me give you an example. What I wanted to show you was when you come inside of the actual store, inside the settings. Again, this is my account information. These are the notifications. Do I want to get notified when something is sold? So on and so forth. I have a lot of private links in here that I don't want to share. But this is how you set this up, the custom domain and so on and so forth. What I want you to see in here is, and then you have a referral program to refer people to this actual store. You can put that link. You can actually put that link in your store. But these are the Amazon affiliate codes that you can actually get. And what happens is, when you click on your particular country, and they'll tell you here where the Amazon stores are mostly used, US, UK, and India. What you do is you click on that. Let me show you what that looks like. And this is why, if you have a certain store and you want to sell closely related products, you can utilize the store as well. So you can sell your own products and you can sell closely related products as well. That's why I say this is a powerful store. And you're up and running in maybe 30, 45 minutes, the max, after putting in your products, things of that nature. For Shopify, that's a half of a day or a whole day just to get that kind of where you want it. And a lot of times you have to hire someone else to do it. But to get a Shopify store looking really good, it'll take you at least 8 hours, in my opinion, to have a real nice Shopify store. And still, there's a lot of moving parts. This, to me, is a little brother or little sister to Shopify, and it's just as powerful. So let me show you what happens when you click on the Amazon affiliate code. When you click on the Amazon affiliate code, it automatically takes you into your Amazon dashboard. So if you're not an associate of Amazon, first question is why? Why are you not? Second question is because you could do a lot of damage with your own products and then selling other products with other people. So in my retirement collection, I'm going to put some retirement books that I actually read or I have read, and I make recommendations from there. If people click and they buy any of those books that I recommended, it's going to come back and it's going to create a revenue for me. And again, I'm not out selling it. I'm not pushing it. I'm more or less selling and or sharing my tools. But oh, by the way, here's a collection of books, retirement books that I also like as well. So I've just pulled in, that's 3 or 4 different streams of revenue. This is building your digital real estate. This is what I've been telling people. There's more than one way to skin the cat. You have to build the most, your system have to be conducive to trying to find things that people want and match them together. And I talk about that in my digital real estate classes, is where I'm trying to match people up with certain products and services. So anyone can have a store, anyone can sell a product, anyone can sell a widget. But what is the power in that widget if it only comes by itself? So again, I like this particular tool. And again, it brings you right here. And there's other stores that it'll take you to as well that you can use affiliates for as well. So let's go ahead and do a recap here before I close it out. This video is way longer than what I thought, but I think this particular tool deserves some extra time. So again, brought you back to the store. If you want to take a look at this particular setup, there should be a link below. I'm planning on having the founder on to discuss her vision and what she wants out of the store and what she wants people to get from this store. This has been Jenny Jones. Let me see if there's anything else I should be sharing with you. Again, this is the Legacy Toolbox. This is what I put together. Right here, I could feature, when you come to my store, I could feature several products that I would like for you to take a look at. And this is one that I showed here. This is an online coaching platform. You can view the details of it. And this is one of the ones that I showcase here. So again, these are the other two that I have here. You can put this together and you can share so somebody can come here and share it. The power and the beauty of this is it's one link. It's your own personalized link and you can share it, right? Or a person can come here, they can make a purchase. You can have a link that goes to your actual checkout cart for this particular product. So again, this is a fascinating product. There's a ton of things I can do with this. I'm only showing you just a little small snippet of it, but I think this is a tool that needed to be showcased because of the power it can do. You don't need, right now with this particular store, you can still have your landing pages and your checkout carts, but this can consolidate all of your digital assets in one particular store. And or if you buy 3 or if you buy 5, you can consolidate everything in one store and you can just switch between stores and just move everything. So now I have essentially 8 or 9 websites. I'm consolidating them all between 2 websites, between 2 stores. And I'm still taking to those stores. I still want those stores to act on their own, but this is something that's given me the ability to move everything or showcase everything in one particular store. So again, this has been Jenny Jones. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was a little long, but this is a very, very good product that should be looked at. I'm going to have the founder on the show. Please look out for that. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss that. There's another vision she has coming with this, and I want you to take a look at it once we get her on the show. Hope you all doing well. You guys stay safe out there. Goodbye for now.